Hi, this is Brian with WTI.
And I fell in love with these little heart-shaped bamboo baskets the moment I saw them. Aren't they adorable? 10 of them come in my pack on Amazon, which is perfect because these cuties are so versatile. I use them all over the place. One sits on my dining table, brimming with a cheerful collection of napkins that brightens up every meal. Another one keeps my mom's ever-growing nail polish collection organized in a drawer. The possibilities are endless. But my favorite use for these baskets has to be gift giving. Imagine filling one with gourmet chocolates or maybe some bath bombs and a scented candle. Instant spa day in a basket right away. The heart shape adds a sweet touch, making it a perfect little present for a loved one or a charming way to say thank you. These little baskets are proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to give a gift.
And that's just my point of view.